Hey guys, today I'm going to show you something you may or may not know, but I'm here with my 2013 ML350 Mercedes, and I'm going to use my fob to roll up the window. So I've got all the windows in my car, including the sunroof, are open right now. So I'm going to use the fob to close all the windows. So I'm going to take the lock button and hold it down. So I'm going to hold down the lock button and keep holding it, and all the windows will go up, including the sunroof, everything closes. Now, you probably did know that, yes, but did you know that I can roll everything down as well using the unlock button? So I just hold down the unlock button and they all go back down. How cool is that? So here's a bonus. I can just put my finger right here and hold it down. I don't even have to use the remote. As long as the remote's on me, everything will close automatically. Very cool, right guys? It's just that little button right there. Awesome. Hope that helped. Hope that was interesting. If so, follow me and I'll see you on the next one.